All right, today we're blacking the car out because I'm not a fan of chrome anymore.
All right, today I got Sal doing all the heavy lifting.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you have a stock grill, I don't know if it'll be different. I can't remember. It's been a long time since I've had it. But with this grill, all you gotta do is kind of
just scratch it up a little bit and it'll be good.
Just scratch it up a little bit. Who cares?
There you go.
I don't care about the badge too much. This is probably never going back on.
Yes, it will.
Why?
When you go back to stock, when you're gonna sell it.
I'm not gonna sell it.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Until it blows up.
That's what they all say.
Am I like dumb? Oh, yeah, I am.
All right.
Because I remember putting the OEM rings back on. It was a bit sketchy. Let's see.
We got one down here.
Oh yeah. There we go. All right, yeah.
Look at that. We're done.
Yeah. I mean, I can see why people like it. Like to keep like chrome accents like this on, but
I told you to get the black from the beginning. Don't even start with me.
get the black what? Now you're gonna want to just wipe down the badges you'll be taking off. And then, of course, this S5 badge is coming off. It's starting to peel. That should be good. And then we're gonna put up tape. And we put tape. Yep, so now we're taping this area. I just want to make sure I don't want to be one of those guys who, you know, takes this off, puts on a black badge, and then the badge is like all the way over here.
Ah, the chrome just cut out of me.
Oh, you see?
Look at that. It came completely peeled.
Zoom in on that.
Oh, we're gonna get demonetized.
Who cares? We don't even make monetized. We don't even make money. Like, this is step one to the rears. We don't have our heat gun on us, so we're gonna have to use a hair dryer. All right, so you're gonna want to get it a little hot. We're gonna be using floss because Tony can't find his fishing wear that we were gonna try to use on it. Yeah, so far this has been a pain to remove. So we got like kind of partially this off.
Oh, you know what I just realized?
What?
Is this separate?
Yeah, why?
Then we're gonna have to put another piece of tape through this too.
Okay, well, anyways, besides that, we got the first one off. Currently working on the other rings. All right, let's get that. That's it, old badge is off. This adhesive is insane. I did not expect they'd put something so thick on it. All right, so all the badges are off. We had to sprint to my house, grab some Goo Gone. We're letting it sit for a couple minutes. All right, so we finally got it all the adhesive off. The hardest part was the Audi logo adhesive. That was just really thick. So we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning it up now. Then I got the new badges right there to go on. Be absolutely nerve-wracking.
All right, so now we're gonna try to get it on there as straight as possible.
Just a little bit.
Down.
Yep.
That's good.
How does that look? Can you step back?
It's perfect.
All right, now for the S5 logo. First comes the S.
Perfect. Right on the money. Oh, this one's a little more difficult. I can see why some guys don't get it right every time. But not for me. I'm a professional.
Oh, perfect. I guess one fitment issue that I found, the Audi symbol provided compared to the OEM one is a little bit, like just a little, like a little bit thinner. They're about the same length, but this one's definitely a little bit thinner. Not too big of a difference, you can't really tell. Well, here is the finished product. Let me get a closer look at this. It fits perfectly well. This looks great. This might have to be redone. only because that is way too thick of material they gave me. I'm not liking how the white's coming out, and it's not, I feel like it's not as firm as I want it to be on the car. So I might have to take it off and start all over, but that's all right. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out all of our other content. We do have a diffuser install, exhaust install, a bunch of other things. Stay tuned.